Welcome, class, to Lesson 8-3. Today, strong mathematicians can identify, measure, and draw angles in a circle. So you need to get your notebook, your pencil, write down today's date, the name of the lesson, and let's get started. All right, some notes we can review. What is a point? Remember that one. What is the line? Always nice to review. If you need to pause the video, you can always review these terms quickly. Well, dope. Then I go really fast on you. A line segment, which is part of the line, an endpoint. An angle with a vertex and two rays and a degrees unit of measurement. And we have a right angle, which is 90 degrees. We have a straight angle, which is 180 degrees. Acute, which is between 0 and 90. Obtuse angle, which is between 90 and 180. And now this is a new page that we can add right now. Add to our notes. This is the notes I need you to take. It should be not an. A reflex angle. So let's scribble that. There we go. That's how you edit it on a computer. A reflex angle is greater than a straight angle and has a measurement between 180 and 360. So think about this one. This would be if we start right here on the line. So it's this angle that starts right here and goes all the way right here is 180 and continues on past it. This part right here would be my reflex angle. And what is a circle? Well, it's probably the most technical definition you're going to get, or mathematical definition. A circle is a plane figure that forms a closed path so that all points on the path are the same distance from a center point, from a point called the center. It has a measurement of 360 degrees. So anywhere along this line, so it's one continuous circle, and anywhere along this line is the same distance away from the center, which makes it a circle. Obviously the black one, not the red one that I drew, because that's not a perfect circle. So you can pause the video right now and add down reflex angle, write down circle as well to add to your increasing vocabulary of geometric terms. Protractor is still what we're going to use to measure angles in degrees, and even use a protractor even in a circle. And now we're going to use a straight edge and a protractor to draw and shade an angle of each type. So we're going to use a straight edge, so I'm going to use these straight lines because that way we get exact marks. Let me go from here, and there's my first one. And I need to draw an acute, so I know acute's less than 90 degrees, so we'll go right about, sure, that one looks good. What do you think? I'm thinking 70 degrees, that's my guess, so let's find out. Let's take our protractor, let's move her, oh, that would be another line, can get rid of that line. And move this right to the spot where the little cross makes right there, my vertex, and it is, ooh, you're close, Mr. Camion. It looks like, if I kind of continue to draw my line, it would be somewhere, it looks like right about, I'm thinking right about there. So I'm going to say that is 68 degrees. So 68 degrees. I probably should actually put it where the actual angle is, because that's actually a different measurement where I just put it. So let me move this over here. Let me take my 68 and move it. Now I feel better. That angle from there to there is 68. The other one's a reflex angle, which is way bigger than 68. So let's continue right now and make it an obtuse one. So we'll start with a line right there. Oh, that one line seemed to drift on me a little bit. And then we'll make a little line. I'm going to undo that one. I don't like that line. Straight line across. There we go. There's a straight line. We'll make it obtuse. We'll go right here. What do you think? Make your predictions again. Ooh, I'm going to say 143, I'm guessing. 143. Let's see who's close. Here we go. So I'm going to bring it down, put my right angle right there in the vertex. 145. Ooh, I think it said 143. That's pretty close. Maybe 144 if I draw that out all the way. So what I mean by drawing it out, this would be if I would take this one right now, I could move the protractor, say, okay, I can't measure it using this protractor. I could take my angle right here, and I could continue it on a path that's straight, and now I can bring my protractor back right where it needs to be, and now I can look, and that is 145. So that's not too bad, pretty close to my guesses right there. But that's how you can, oh, that's how you shrink it. I was always wondering that. Learned something new today. And this would be our measurement of 145 degrees, which would qualify as an obtuse angle. So within a circle, I can break down the circle into different parts. Right there I have an acute angle within my circle, and I can have an obtuse angle in my circle. The next one is straight angle. Oh, I love a straight angle. Nothing beats a straight angle, but make sure you use a straight edge to make a straight angle, because otherwise it looks wobbly, and that's not good. So did I clip it? Yes, right through the middle of it. And the good news is I don't even have to really bring out my protractor. Don't tell anyone. Because I know that a straight angle is 180 degrees. Notice the bottom half is also a straight angle. That's another 180, so that would be 360. Now what I want us to do is I want us to draw 3 angles. I've challenged myself. I put 3 angles in this drawing. Let's see. Straight edge. So I'm going to take... let's see. Do you want to take the easy way out? I could. I'm going to draw a straight angle. And that's 1. And then I like to just do more than just right angles. That would be like too straightforward. So I'm going to take 1. So I'm going to draw that one. So I need to measure these. I have 3 angles in here. I have this angle right here, which I know is acute. I have this angle right here, which is obtuse. And I have this angle right here, which is a straight. So I know this one already is 180 degrees, which, you know, that was pretty straightforward. So I'm going to take my protractor. I'm going to shrink it down again. No, I can't shrink it again. Oh, there we go. See, now I can be able to see a little easier. It's probably really small in the video to watch, so it probably wasn't a good strategy. But now I can actually see where this line goes. And this line is really thick, so it looks like it is on... I'm going to say that one is 50... I'll use the inside edge. I'll split the difference. I'll say it's 53 degrees. Which, so this one right here is 53 degrees. 53 degrees. Which the nice part is I can use it already lined up. So I get 0 here, and the other side would be 127 degrees. And if you think about this, if I add these two numbers up, what do I get? Well, I would get 180 degrees, because that's the measure of this half of the circle. So you can pause the video right now and write down that information. You try to see if can you match mine and get 53 degrees and 127 degrees. Or if you tried your own, great. I like how you can explore on your own. And right now you can draw a big line. It says box 3, now your turn. So you use a straight edge, and you draw your own acute angle and measure it within a circle, and your own obtuse angle and measure within a circle. Even if you have a compass, you can draw nice circles with a compass. So another tool to help you out. So you can pause the video. Good luck on those two. And now use a straight edge protractor to draw and shade in an angle of each type. Measure and label each angle. One of them you need to create 4 angles inside the circle. And the other one you need to create 5 angles inside the circle. I'm really excited to see how you guys shape these and see what you can come up with. So you can pause the video right now and good luck. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to write them down or share them out. Also, any strategies that you use to help you, make sure you share those as well. And thanks again for another great lesson.